Good evening, friends. Yesterday we had discussed about Divi's Lab and MFSL. So Divi's Lab almost touched the first target and then again it came down. So the bears are taking more control over that and then probably that fight will continue. MFSL is holding its ground and it can move up anytime. So today I'm going to discuss about two stocks first before going to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the first stock I am going to discuss is about Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma has formed a hammered pattern today, indicating that the bulls are having a lot of interest in that. It came down sharply and then it pulled back and then it almost closed near the open levels, indicating that the bulls are very strong here. And then this stock can go up to, if you see the weekly chart, so it can go up to 967 levels and then around 1000 levels. So one can take 1000 call for the month of April and then hold it for some time. All other parameters for Sun Pharma are very positive. So next stock I'm going to discuss is Tata Consultancy Services. So Tata Consultancy Services also has formed a hammered pattern, indicating that bulls have got more control over this. So this it has closed around 3731 levels and then it can go up to 3779 and then 3827 in the short term. So one can take 3800 call in TCS. All other parameters for TCS are also very positive. So coming back to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you see Nifty, so Nifty has moved out of this circle, indicating that it is very bullish. So one can expect upper movement towards 7600 and then 7800 in the coming days. But it all depends on what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow being the expiry day. So either it has to come down or it has to go up, depending on what call the bears or bulls are holding. So they would like to close the index either above that or below a particular level so that they can make money out of that. As of now, it is very bullish. FIIs and DIIs both have purchased in huge lots today compared to the earlier days. So they have got a lot of interest in the market. So it can go up to 17,600, 17,800, but we may see a jerk tomorrow as it's a monthly expiry, and then they would like to close their calls and puts at reasonable prices to make money. So the levels for Nifty are support is at 17442 and then 17343. Resistance levels are at 17522 and then 17639. So now let us see what's happening in Bank Nifty. So now if you see Bank Index, now it has come into this circle, indicating that there is bullishness. See, it was out of this circle for a long time. It was struggling to get into this circle. So now it has moved into this circle. That means that it can also go up from these levels. So for Bank Index, the support levels are 36070 and then 35717, and the resistance levels are 36611 and then 36827. So if you see the breakout stocks and then other chart patterns, there is nothing to look for except that the index has moved up. So it's a very smart game where they have played with the index stocks and then they brought index to the higher levels. So tomorrow being the expiry day, anything can happen. If tomorrow, if it index closes about 17,600, then you can expect Nifty to cross 17,850 levels, which is a major resistance for Nifty to move up. So have a good trading day tomorrow. Good night.